Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're starting inside Settings, so open Wallpaper now and tap Customize on the screen that still shows the wallpaper you want gone. Once done, choose which screen, Lock or Home, you'll change first. Don't waste time hunting photos. You can't directly delete an assigned wallpaper file from Settings, so the first actionable step is replacing it. Select Change and be ready to pick a new image or color. This replacement is the only way to remove the current assignment. Now choose your replacement. A photo from Photos, Photo Shuffle, or a solid color. Each behaves slightly differently. You'll crop and move the image, toggle perspective or depth effects if available, and preview both screens. Make sure to select Set and then choose Lock, Home, or both depending on what you're removing. By assigning a new wallpaper, you effectively unassign the old one. That's why replacement, not deletion, is how iOS handles wallpaper removal. Confirm the change and watch the preview update. Finish by locking and unlocking the iPhone to confirm the old wallpaper is gone from the targeted screen. If the previous image still shows, restart the phone to force the system to refresh wallpaper caches. Make sure you're on the latest iOS. If problems persist, open Settings right arrow General right arrow Transfer, or reset iPhone right arrow reset all settings to clear wallpaper assignments without erasing data. That reset fixes stuck wallpapers. Then reapply your chosen replacement.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.